Hey folks, this is Kunal from TradingSim. I wanted to do a quick video on this Friday morning. There's been a lot of market news hitting the wires. Brexit has essentially occurred, and so at this point the markets are not liking the news too much. Down 80 points on the S&P futures, as you can see. The reason I created this video, I think it's very important that as a trader, this morning especially, you want to stay out of this. If you're not a professional, don't bother with this market today. It's going to be extremely volatile, and it can rip your shirt off real fast. And so this is a kind of a day where you want to just sit back, you want to watch, and you want to learn. This could have the potential of dropping even further, right? We hit, if I'm looking at the real-time chart here, we hit about 2007 on the S&P. It took out a pretty good support level, but it's held so far. So we'll see what happens on the open and which way the traders want to take this. But in this general area, there seems to be pretty good support. So let's just keep an eye on. Let's keep an eye on about 2020 to 2000 area on the S&P this morning, and let's see if it breaks down through it. If it does, what we could be looking at, and it might not happen today, but if this is a start of a real move down, about 1950 could be the next area of support. So we just want to be extremely careful today. The reason I'm doing this video, like I said, is the volatility has significantly picked up. So if you look at the VIX, it's starting to move higher, and this is going to indicate a lot of whipsaw volatility going on, right? So if you do decide to trade today, please keep your position sizes lower, a lot lower than you normally would. At least cut them in half, if not by 75%, because the volatility alone in the market today is going to make you whole from a trading perspective. The other thing I would like to share with you, right? I mean, we experienced this back in 2015, right? In the August time frame. If I move over to TradingSim, we had this type of waterfall action occur in the markets. It was for a different reason, obviously, at that time. But today could be a day for you guys that are subscribed to TradingSim. Just go back and look at August and start practicing on this type of market, because what could happen here for the next foreseeable future, for the next at least couple of weeks, is we could have a very volatile market, right? You look back in January, the volatility picked up, market was swinging up and down violently, 1% and 2% every day. We could be in for that type of move for the next couple of weeks. So it could be a day trader's dream. You just have to, reset your mind to start trading volatility, because the market can kind of lull you to death, and what worked in the past might not necessarily work in the future, and especially when volatility increases in the environment, in the trading environment, you have to trade a little bit differently. You have to be quick, right? Your stop losses, you got to be willing to take losses quickly, because these runs can just rip your shirt off in either way. So I just wanted to create this video. I hope you guys stay safe out there today. If you have any questions, email us at admin@tradingsim.com, and best of luck.